Hey, welcome back. This is a Mazda Miata, and we don't get to play with stuff like this that often, but this one came to us as a project that it was kind of a failed build. This is an engine transplant, and there's a kit. I think the company's name's Rocketeer out of the UK, and it's a kit to put this V6 in there. And this is a Ford Duratec derived Jag. I think it's a 3-liter V6, and this iteration of it does have the variable cam timing. It was done. It was finished out, and it failed. The engine failed. We're not quite sure what wrong, but they killed the motor, and it kind of got dumped at that point. And so the project came to us like that, and so now we've got a new engine in here, and we are redoing all the controls, certainly with our own ECU, a Haltech ECU, and much better control, much better plumbing, much better setup here. So this kit actually comes with an ECU, and we are using a Haltech, and we're doing it slightly different. We're doing it drive-by-wire. We're splitting it side by side so that we have control of either intake. Just a much higher level of control when the power is delivered and how. Again, trying to maximize what the car does without hurting it. So it's been kind of fun doing this one. This was our first time seeing one of these kits and how they did that. It's actually pretty simple. The control system that we've putting together here is completely off of what they did. We like doing it the way we do it, and it works really well. So we're getting there. This was just not too much longer. This will be coming up and online, and we'll get to see what it does. Should be pretty entertaining, and we'll do a little video on that one when it comes around. So that's it. See you on the next one.